Hey everybody, this is Martin Mesa with Rate 1 Financial. Welcome back to Mortgage Mind. It's been a while. I'm glad to be back. Today's video is going to be answering the question, why aren't mortgage rates lower than they are? Okay, well, I've been getting a lot of calls. I'm a loan officer, so I do a lot of loans for people. And I've been getting a lot of calls asking me to refinance them, and I quote them the rate and they wonder why the rate's not lower than it is. Okay, truth be told, under normal circumstances, which we're not under normal circumstances right now, mortgage rates should be at historic lows of all time, but they're not. And today I'm going to explain why. The first reason is because before all this coronavirus thing started, mortgage rates were already super low and everybody was refinancing and there was a lot of loans going into banks. So they got backed up. Most of them are still backed up. Most of them cannot keep up with the loan volume that they have in their pipeline right now. And they are understaffed. They are trying to catch up. They don't want any more loans. So that's one of the reasons why they're not offering lower rates, because they don't want to offer lower rates because that means they're going to get more loans that they don't really want right now because they can't handle them. They're understaffed and they can't keep up with the loans that they already have to work on. Okay? The second reason why mortgage banks are not offering lower rates is because all of them or most of them are really hurting financially right now. Because one of the things that mortgage banks do is they do different things on the back end that you and I don't know about or see to mitigate their interest rate risk, and that's called hedging. And it's sort of tantamount to betting. And so they've made a lot of bad bets lately because of all this uncertainty, and they've made some bad calls because of everything that's happening. So they've been gotten hit hard with a lot of bills they had to pay that they normally wouldn't have because they got margin calls and things like that. So a lot of them are hurting financially because of those bad hedges and bad bets. The third thing that's preventing them from offering lower rates is they are expecting huge future losses as a result of this economic downturn we're starting to get into with the coronavirus lockdown, with everybody being unemployed. There's going to be a lot of people that are going to request and get granted by their mortgage loan services forbearance, which means they won't have to make a mortgage payment for like 6 months because they're out of work or whatever. And so banks are going to get hit hard because of those future losses. It's really going to hit the mortgage loan servicing industry hard when you've got all these people not making payments for 6 months. So they're planning on those losses. So those are the three main reasons why mortgage banks out there are not offering lower rates. Whereas under normal circumstances, if you took all those three things away, rates would be at historic lows right now, the lowest we've ever seen. But that's why they're not. So hopefully that answers your question. If you have any questions about that and want more information, just give us a call and we'd be happy to talk to you more about it. But hope all is well. Take care. If you like what we're doing, please like and share with your friends and family.